Now, the central government has made the Arogya Setu app mandatory for all government and private office goers. But while the government says that the app is India's Brahmastra to fight the coronavirus, tracking COVID infections, many including the opposition, have raised concerns about data privacy.
Arogya Setu app is being touted as India's Brahmastra in fighting the coronavirus pandemic. The centre has made the contact tracing app mandatory for all employees, both private and government. It is also encouraging citizens to download and use its location and Bluetooth-based mobile application. India Today conducted a reality check on day one of Lockdown 3.0.
Did your management send out any letter? Did your management send out any communication? Because now the government is saying anyone who's working should have it.
Initially only we downloaded by ourselves, but our organization has also advised us to download the app. We have got official mails to download the app.
मैंने डाउनलोड करने का तो सोचा था, पर कुछ लोगों का ऐसा कहना है कि उससे प्राइवेसी लीक हो रही है और मतलब जो भी हमारा डेटा है वो गवर्नमेंट उसको डिटेक्ट कर रही है, तो इस वजह से मैंने डाउनलोड नहीं किया.
All police personnel on duty have downloaded the app. The app alerts users if they come in contact with COVID-19 patients. Using Bluetooth and GPS tracking, it pinpoints the location of the user and calculates the risk of infection based on proximity to any patient. The app also provides useful instructions in combating the viral disease. The government is likely to use the app to issue e-passes to facilitate travel from one place to another.
Through the app, we can catch the disease, we can catch the virus, even though it is trying to spread insidiously through asymptomatic people. That's why you should download the app.
The Congress is calling the app a sophisticated surveillance system, a charge vehemently denied by the government, which asserts it has a robust data security architecture.
Now Google has come out with such an app. So world over, this app is being preferred over other means of tracking. I think that's a best scientific instrument. There is nothing of privacy related matter or any information to be collected. There is no information.
Activists say that user consent, a fundamental principle for digital privacy, has been rendered meaningless with the centre making the Arogya Setu app mandatory for a large section of people. Maybe desperate times call for desperate measures. With Arvind Ojha, Himanshu Mishra and Gaurav Sawant in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.